Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your file meets Zoho's expectations, CSV or XLSX with headers in the first row. Next, make sure required fields are present, email, name, phone, owner ID, so records map cleanly. Once done, save a backup and export a UTF-8, comma-delimited CSV if you need consistency. Then you log into Zoho, open the target module, and click Import. This moves you from preparation straight into the mapping interface, where you'll align columns to Zoho fields. You now focus on mapping. Select each source column and assign it to the corresponding Zoho field using the drop-down. This is crucial for data integrity. Make a clear choice. Create, update, or upsert. Use email or a unique ID as the duplicate check key so you don't create duplicates. Also, set date formats, pick list values, and owner assignments before proceeding. Once mapping looks correct, preview a few sample records to confirm formatting and relationships are applied as expected. You're ready to run the import. Start it and watch the progress indicator, then review the summary when it finishes. If errors appear, download the error report and address only the failed rows. Trim leading/trailing spaces, correct date formats, and match pick list values to Zoho exactly. Once fixed, re-import the error file using the same mapping. If problems persist, check owner ID and permissions, and if you still can't resolve it, roll back via your backup and retry after adjusting the source file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.